Welcome everyone to our channel. In this first video on column multiplication, we're going to learn how to organize numbers on paper and explain how to do a simple multiplication without carrying. In this example, we're going to multiply 14 by 2. First, it's important to take the larger of the two numbers, here 14, and place it at the top of the paper. Then, underneath the 14, I place the smaller number. It's crucial to position the 2 under the 4 correctly. We always need to group the 1s together and the 10s together. The 4 and the 2 represent the 1s. The 1 represents a 10. If you'd like, you can draw vertical lines on your paper to create columns. Next, I draw a horizontal line under the second number. And of course, I add the multiply sign, in the form of X. Now that we've positioned the numbers, we can move on to the calculation. When multiplying a one-digit number by a two-digit number, the calculation happens in two steps. First, we multiply the smaller of the two numbers, here 2, by the unit, which is 4. Then, we multiply 2 by the 10, which is 1. So let's start with 2 times 4. If you know your multiplication tables, this shouldn't be a problem. 2 times 4 equals 8. The result is written below the horizontal line, in the ones column. Next, I have to multiply 2 by the number of tens, which is 1. 2 times 1 equals 2. I write the result in the tens column. In reality, I'm not doing 2 times 1 but 2 times 10 because the 1 represents a 10. And there we have it, our result. 14 times 2 equals 28. Let's now take another example. Now we're going to multiply 43 by 3. Remember, it's important to align the ones properly according to this model. Once the calculation is set up, we can begin the multiplication. We'll first multiply 3 by 3. Then, we'll multiply 3 by the tens place, which is 4. So, let's start with 3 times 3. Do you remember where the result is noted? The result is noted below the horizontal line, in the unit column. Next, I have to multiply 3 by the number of tens, which is 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. I write the result in the tens column. Actually, if we add some vertical lines, we can see that the number 1 is in the hundreds column because 12 tens are equal to 102 tens. We now have our result. 43 times 3 equals 129. In this video, we've learned how to correctly position the numbers on our grid, so we can then perform column multiplication. Thank you for watching this video, and feel free to subscribe to our channel to continue learning mathematics easily.